there, welcome back to my channel. I'm JC, your go-to real estate expert, and I'm here to make buying and selling real estate simple, easy, and efficient. Today, I'm here to show you around this beautiful new construction home here in Burgamy Park. It is in Friendship ISD. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,828 square feet home. It has granite counters, tile floors in the main living areas, and carpets in the other rooms. And I can't wait to show you around. It has some beautiful gold finishes. So let's go take a look.
To start things off, I love this star accent on the front door in the glass. It's very Texas. It's very pretty and gives this house a little bit of extra something. I love that this layout has a hall tree in the laundry room. So right as you come in through the garage, you can put all your stuff there at the hall tree instead of having to take it to individual rooms, which is really nice for families that have young kids. Makes it easy for them to kind of keep things organized. This home layout offers 2 really good sized master closets that have lots of storage and plenty of space. And then I also really love that the tile has these really pretty but subtle gold accents, so it makes a really appealing tiled shower and accents around the tub. The beams look offers a really natural accent to this home, and the color is beautiful. It matches everything, and it goes really well with this beautifully tiled backsplash and its gold accents. A really, really great combo for this home. As you come out the back door, you have this nice little covered patio, so if you want to put some chairs or a little table out here, you're at least covered. A decent sized backyard, and if you guys want to see this beautiful home at 6902 18th Street, please let me know in the comments, send me a text or an email. I would love to give you a personal tour.